then we will proceed. So now this is white balance. It is okay. Table uthao. We are giving first port at supraumbilical ridge. A stab incision at the supraumbilical ridge of the umbilicus, dissecting with the Maryland forceps, holding on each side of the midline, the linea alba, and giving a stab incision there with the tip of the 11 blade, checking that it is adequate to allow the trocar cannula. Now introducing the port, and we will be connecting the gas line. It is almost 6 years old. We will keep the gas 12 and 12 millimeter mercury pressure, 3 liters per minute flow, and let us see what happens. First we will go inside. ये कोई देखिए बाक्स बेर करो, बाक्स बेर करो। दाঁড়াও। So now we will be introducing the telescope and see देखिए এটার গোলটা চাপ দাও তো, এই গোলটা চাপ দাও, ঠিক আছে, আবার অন করো, চাপ দাও। So it is still hazy, so we have to clean both the back end of the telescope as well as the head of the camera. Then we will see if it is clean, dipping into the hot water. I think now it is clear. Okay, this is the inside. You can see here, probably you can see that this is the ileum, right? And this is the colon, and here is the intussusception, right? Now we will give 2 more ports. As we do in appendectomy, medial to left anterior superior iliac spine 1, and another will be suprapubic. And we will try to give at crease line. Okay, so 3 ports are in place. You see the bladder is empty, advised. And now we will start. No problem. No problem. Now we will see the exact situation inside. You see the intussusception here, right? The ileum is, this is the appendix. You see, this is the appendix. It is after general anesthesia sometimes the intussusception is released spontaneously. That, but a little part is you can see here at this side, but you see little invagination is still there, and I think hydrostatic reduction is not that much necessary. You see, it is released, I think. But what we will do, we will release these adhesions. কি কাজ তোমার? তো তা ওই মিস্টেকটা আমার সামনে কেন করতেছো?
স্যার রিলিজ করলেন
So
যেটা কি
we will
প্রসেস
do.
দিয়ে স্যার?
Yes.
এক হাতে তো স্যার ব্যাকআপ ছিল, আরেকটা কি স্যার? অন্য পাশে কি ছিল?
This that was a fenestrated grasper, long tip fenestrated grasper. That is, you can say it is a bowel grasper. That is not injurious to the bowel loop. You should not hold the bowel with the Maryland or tissue forceps, right? That is for intussusception. You should use this type of instrument. That is fenestrated grasper. And now what I am doing is adhesiolysis that will help us prevent future intussusception. Somehow this is one of the reasons. And after adhesiolysis, that theoretically the chances of recurrence is reduced.
স্যার
There is,
হাইড্রোস্ট্যাটিক রিঅ্যাকশন করতে
I'm not
গেলে
sure there is any study confirming it. Yes, what
স্যার
you are saying?
স্যার হাইড্রোস্ট্যাটিক রিডাকশন করতে গেলে পার রেক্টালি ক্যাথেটার দিয়ে নরমাল স্যালাইন ওই পাশ দিয়ে দিতেন।
The parrectal catheter we have already placed. If it was not reduced spontaneously in this way, we would have given the normal saline. The parrectal catheter is there already. Okay,
জি স্যার।
that was our initial target, but as the spontaneous reduction happened, so we are not giving any parrectal fluid because, okay, so the adhesiolysis is done as much as possible. Now we will go for appendectomy. Okay,
জি স্যার। স্যার আমি
this
দেখতেছি
is
স্যার,
the
এই রাউন্ডে আছি স্যার, দেখতেছি।
no problem. So there will be two cases in the afternoon: pyloromyotomy and bilateral inguinal hernia. Both are by laparoscopy. If you can, I may create the session at 1:30, but operation may be started at 2 p.m. or 1:45 p.m. Okay.
দুটো অপারেশনের কথা বলছিলাম না,
So the bipolar coagulation has been done. We will now dissect using the unipolar. Little bipolar will be necessary again.
আছে দেখাই থাকবে লাইট এটা কালকে আপনার সাথে কথা হলো শিলে দেওয়ার মতন ইয়ে নাই লাইটটা দেন সোনাবাড়িতে ঢাকায় যে প্লাস্টিক সার্জন যেটা ওনার সাথে কথা হলো নাকটা ধরতে ছিল ওই কথা না চাপ দিয়ে ধরবে নাক চাপ দিয়ে ধরবে দুই পাশে নাক চাপ দিয়ে ধরবে টিপ থেকে হ্যাঁ টিপ থেকে চলে আসছে স্যার
I
পুরো
think
গ্যাস
this
দিচ্ছে
dissection is complete. Now we will
বললাম বাবা মনে কথা বলছে
ligate the base of the appendix. Eh?
জায়গা নেই
Before completion, we will check if there is another intussusception in the colon, that is colic. Once come out, we cannot go inside again. You
সাথে
see,
বলছিল আমি
this
ওই
is
জায়গায়
the
গেছিলাম
problem
কালকে
sometimes.
এটা এখন নিয়ে যেতে হবে আজকের দিন দেখে যদি ভালো থাকে সেই দিতে হবে আজকে দেখা করবে এটা কি জানো কোনটা ছিল
In this age group, we have to check if there is
না
any
কালকে কালকে একদম ছিল এটা থেকে দেখা
pathological lead point. So after appendectomy, I will also check for that.
আমাদের যেটা ভালো হয়েছে
গরম পানি করছো?
দেখা যাবে কত বড় এটা রিপোর্ট পাবে
We are now checking the colon for any residual or concomitant intussusception if there is any. This cecum is mobile cecum. That is one reason for, I think, little adhesive lysis here is necessary in the upper part. Okay, I think that is enough. Okay, now we will divide the appendix and bring out, and our operation will be complete. And as I said, little check here. This is the transverse colon. This is empty, so less likely to be any residual intussusception. Here it is the ileocecal junction. It is free, so we can now come out. And we did not give any normal saline into the lumen of the intestine. So no extra measure would be necessary. This is the wrong port for the instrument, so we have shifted Babcock through the suprapubic port and through the umbilical port, the Maryland. Babcock to guide, Maryland to hold and divide the appendix. Squeezing in the basal part to remove any residual fecal matter if there is inside the lumen of the appendix before division. The tip of the scissor will be kept like this, concavity upwards, so that the tip of the scissor does not catch any ascending colon part and injure it. Now, a coagulation at the stump, a common practice we do during appendectomy. It is divided. Now, before bringing out, we will straighten the appendix so that it easily comes out through the port side, or at least does not give any resistance during retrieval. It is straightening. You can see it is entering into the port, right? So it will not touch the port side. Now we will remove the gas from the ports. Port and appendix is brought out. We will now close the ports and go for next case.